Very good morning, children. This is for grade 7, which is Science 1 Physics. Okay, this assignment is very interesting. It is based on whatever I have taught you, right? So you will be acting as a doctor during these holidays. Okay, children, isn't that interesting? So the first step is, first thing, you are preparing a small file. All right, so whichever file or folder you're having at home, children, you can use it. Okay, you have some old files, right, when you visit a doctor, or you can use a normal stick file, no problem. Okay, the first step, you will write the names of your family members and basic information like age, gender, any previous medical condition, that means are they diabetic, or are they having high BP, like that. You will just prepare a small information list. That is the first step. Okay, second step is, you will mention which type of thermometer are you using. For example, your mom, all right, they are your best friends, isn't it? So when you're measuring the temperature of your mom, what type of thermometer are you using? Is that a digital one, or is it a mercury thermometer? What is the type of thermometer that you have to write? Okay, and then you have to measure the temperature. I have shown you how to do that, isn't it? Okay, the third one is, you will draw that particular thermometer. For example, if it's a clinical thermometer, you all know what are the different parts. You can label them by now, right? And you can clearly indicate in the diagram what is the temperature that you have recorded. You have to, I told you how to calibrate, isn't it? In two different scales, right? So the fourth one, if you are already measuring your temperature in centigrade, you will convert into F. Or if you are measuring in F, convert into C. That is, in this step, I want you to use the formula to convert F into C and C into F. I have already got you practiced, right, with those worksheets and different numbers I have given you. So you can do this, isn't it? The last step is, after measuring, okay, you tell me what are the steps you have taken after measurement. How are you packing back the thermometer? What are the steps? You remember I told you the precautions to be taken while handling the thermometer. Those precautions you have to list here. And very, very important, after you finished measurement of the temperature, please sanitize your hands. Okay, wash them properly for at least 20 seconds. Okay, children, I hope you understood this, right? So this is how your small file will look like. You can just draw a simple diagram like this. Okay, you can draw this on your own. So you are going to write your own name, because you are the junior doctor now during the holidays. You will write your name, grade and section, so that we know whose assignment it is. Okay, children? And you will, next page, you will write the difference between heat and temperature. Already I told you what is temperature and heat. What is the difference, I told you, right? So use your own ideas to design a simple experiment with a diagram. What do you mean by experiment? What are the things you should have? Aim, apparatus, procedure, precautions, conclusion and diagram. These are the things you should have, children, okay, while designing an experiment. And this experiment aim will be to differentiate between the terms temperature and heat. Okay, so example, what are the apparatus you are using? You can use a thermometer or your own palm, children, your own palm. See, when you are putting your palm in hot water, I mean not very hot water, okay, just a little hot water, you can feel that heat. But can you tell what is the exact temperature when you put your hand? You cannot tell, isn't it? Approximately, yes, you feel that heat, but you cannot tell the temperature. But when you put a thermometer inside that hot water, exactly you can tell the temperature. Now do you get it? The difference between temperature. Temperature is just how cold or how hot an object is. The degree of hotness or coldness of an object. Heat is definitely different. You will design an own experiment of your own with the examples just I told you. Okay, and you will write in the next page. So in the last page, what are the skills? You have learned something, right, out of this assignment. What is this? What you have learned is, the last page you will write in your own words what you have learned by doing this holiday homework, right? Have you got to know better about your family members? Okay, have you got to know better how to do the measurement using thermometer, right? And you have also learned about the precautions that you are taking. So all that what have you learned by using this activity, you will write here. Okay, whatever you have learned in the textbook, you are applying in your everyday life, isn't it, children? Right? And you will also write which activity or which topic in this heat lesson did you like the most and why. Okay? And the last page of your file, this is very important. You all know, children, we all are able to continue the learning and teaching process because we are all safe. So who are the heroes of our country? By now you must know, right? The doctors. So you have to write any 3 sentences for all their hard work, isn't it, children? Don't we, need to appreciate them? So first sentence is just an example. Please do not copy this, children. I want it in your own words. Okay, when I find your assignment, I should have it in your own words, how heartfully you are thanking the entire medical community. Okay, so first sentence I gave an example, second sentence why we should thank them, and third sentence, that is why I am thanking them because. Okay, this will be the last page of your file, children. Okay, and please do not forget these rules. I am sending this presentation to you so you can go through what to do. And you will stay home, stay safe, and please follow these rules. Okay, children? Thank you so much to all the parents and students of grade 7 for all the cooperation and hard work. So, wish you all a very, very happy holidays, children. Okay? So, grade 7 students, I hope your assignment is clear. Any doubts, you can always contact us. Thank you, children.